When you have those legs running down the glass, if it's a thin leg, it's a lighter alcohol content. If it's a fatter leg, it's going to be a fatter leg is a higher alcohol.
Right.
Now that doesn't mean anything. Again, we keep coming back to, do you like the wine?
Right.
Exactly. And that's what really counts. So.
But yeah, so this one coats the glass pretty well, so it's relatively high alcohol, right?
Yes. Well, no. Now turn it upright. Okay. Now you see it falling down.
Yeah.
See those legs falling down?
Oh, it's the width of the leg that you're talking about.
Yes, absolutely.
Oh. So not the ability to coat the glass, it's the width of the leg that comes down.
That's right. So now you see that, and it's a skinny leg. Now the thing why I don't talk much about that is because when you're doing that, you're assuming you have a clean glass.
Yeah.
You're assuming that that I'm giving you the cleanest glass going, and that's not always true. I mean, it's going to come right out of the dishwasher, but the dishwasher may or may not leave a soap residue on it. It may or may not have cleaned off everything that's in the glass from the previous setting. I always wash the rims of the glass because I don't want lipstick on it or any other chapstick or anything like that. So, again, moving right along.
Did you find your